So I was interested in the plumbing program. I've done a little bit. I've got a background in it, and once you get out, you make good money and you can get through school pretty quick. I didn't ever really enjoy high school because I was sitting in a classroom for 8 hours a day, and I felt that it was going to be the same way in college, so I decided to come here. And so we get maybe 2 hours of class work, and then the rest of the day I'm in the shop. So with plumbing, everybody thinks it's all the dirty work, but in reality you don't have to do the dirty work. You get to basically pick what jobs you want. I just like the people here and how everybody gets along, and you just get to get down to business. Just as soon as you get out, you're going to be making great money, and there's jobs everywhere. Some advice I would give to go into ICTC is just find a trade you like. If college isn't for you, this more than likely will be, and you can get out pretty quick and start making good money with a good trade.